Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on XRP, your daily update. Wanted to do a full update on the current situation here. I would say yesterday. Obviously, yesterday I changed my mind compared to the day before, so 2 days ago. But I would say yesterday, if you watched the video, the analysis we did is still holding on relatively well, which is basically that XRP right now is calming down a little bit. So in my eyes, we'll talk about XRP. We'll do a full analysis. All right. I will not just repeat what I said yesterday, and we'll talk about some trade opportunities here as well. But in my eyes, the situation is the situation as we analyzed it yesterday is still correct. All right. So if you watch that video and you think, well, I still remember that completely, and I don't really need to know, and that's fine. But in this video, what I also wanted to talk about, like I said, is some more trade opportunities for XRP right here. So really concrete possible entries. And just in general, when will XRP pump again? All right, because I think a lot of you looking at the price of XRP right now, obviously we've been ridiculously bullish over the course of the weekend. Like it's seeing something like that is one of the biggest confirmations of that we are in bullish market circumstances here. But over the course of the last couple of days, what you can see is that the momentum has dropped down quite a bit over the last 2 days mainly. Before that, like after the weekend, we still had some momentum. But momentum is down. You can see some new momentum come back into the price this morning, but it's very young and it's not enough to really say that it's going to lead to anything. And at the same point of time, and that is also, like this is, I would say, the most important thing for XRP right now. And that is that the price has found, the price has found a significant resistance level at 1.25, and after that, the momentum, the open interest, and the volume have dropped down, which in my eyes is a confirmation that we have found some sort of a local top right here. So essentially, like when will XRP pump again? It is when that returns. Right, when we actually see a return of that open interest of volume coming back in. So that's, for example, also what we saw right here. Right, if you go back all the way. What you can see is that we really started to gain momentum on Tuesday the 12th. And that is when we broke above 70 cents here. That's when we started to form that bullish market structure. Right now, if we actually want to get to that next target at 1.35 and potentially at 1.5, we need to see a return in that open interest. Right, and at the moment, there is a slight increase in open interest, but it is very early, and the volume is still dropping down. All right, so for now, I would say, if we're looking at the price, it is most likely will stabilize here. And I would even say it's most likely that, the older coins, the veteran coins, have rallied quite a bit over the last week or so, especially the last 5 days. So I would say it's most likely that we're going to see some sort of a rotation in other coins. And what that means is that, I think Bitcoin is still going to be strong, but I don't see any reason of why to believe that XRP is going to follow that right now. All right, so I would say it's even more likely that we'll consolidate, and that when Bitcoin actually tops out or gets some sort of a local top, we'll have a bit of a drop down for XRP. And I think that's where the main opportunities come in. I've talked about this briefly yesterday, but when we're talking about opportunities here for XRP, I would say the main long opportunity is from $1. All right, so that level between 97 cents and $1 is filled with support, psychological support level. You have the middle of the trend band here. You have the 302 fib there. I think you also have some sort of a fair value gap there. Yep, you do. Both at that level and also slightly below for the stop loss placement. So that's in terms of a trade, I would say that's the best area. And if you actually want to buy spot, I would aim for lower. I don't think we'll drop down to 75 cents, but dropping down to this level here at 90 and 85 cents in the case of some sort of a flush is certainly a possibility. And if we do that, that's the best area for a spot entry if you will still want a decent reward. It seems to me, at least at this point of time. So it's waiting for that, all right? And at the moment, still looks most likely we'll just consolidate here, move flat. If we actually, and it is a possibility, and you should be ready for it, but if we actually see this open interest here continue the way it's been developing this morning, so do something like this, then it is still a possibility we'll get to 1.35. If that happens, I'll try to notify you, all right? If it happens right now, I was wrong, because under the current circumstances, I don't expect it. I don't predict it. But that is the main thing you need to keep an eye on, all right? Open interest. See some sort of new inflow of long positions. That's bullish, and then we can rally. At the moment, that's not true. So that's why I think it's most likely we'll consolidate. But that's what I think you need to know, all right? That's what I think you need to know for today. I'm not sure if I'll be back with another update tomorrow. It depends on the price, of course. But that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.